come from YouTube, you can use the coupon code YouTube for a 10% off. I ordered 2 of these. Referral that you do, you get 10% off, and then you will get £1 credit for every friend you refer. Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. So today's vlog is slightly different than the others because I got some press-on orders and I will be like fulfilling them. So I got about to do 5 nail sets, 2 of the same type, then another 2, and then 1 is a different one, and they are all in like a square shape, and they're requested to be delivered within the UK. So I changed a little bit the location of my library, so I put the books that I like the most in here. So I go the Cherami series, these 3, those, and then the Akutar. I'm almost finishing this, so it's only been like a week and I'm almost done with this one. I only got that one left. I'm reading the blue one, which I forgot the name about, and it's where the Riz and Fairy are going to have winter solstice. So that's what I'm reading. And then I got these fairy lights from Temu and I put them on. I got these cute little things also from Temu, they look so cute. And then I got these ones which are glow in the dark, so they glow at the night. And then this flower which is perfect for the Akutat series. So let's go upstairs and then grab all the stuff that I would need for today's nail set. So I've got most of the stuff here. I got the charms that I will use, some of the brushes and the nail stands, and also wrote down what I need to create. So 2 of those, 2 of those, and 1 of those, all of them in small size, and they're going to be a square. So let's get started. I have finished prepping 2 of them. I've done the base of this set and this set. This will be the positive tomato one, and this one will be the bright pink one. And I'll need to create 1 of these and 2 of these and then 2 more. And I just got started, so let's see how it goes. So I completed this one. I got this nail left and these 2 left, almost done. I mistakenly used a different shade, so I have to switch to the Born Pretty one. I used the Yogi one before, but this one is almost done. And then the other pink one is curing, so it's almost done, so I can show you what it doesn't look like. So this is basically completed. I just need to top coat it, and I need to create another one same as this one, but this was the only one that I do not recreate, so I'm just gonna finish this and show you guys. So I finished these 2 nail sets and this is how they look. I finished top coating them. I will be putting them in the box together with the other ones. This is the first one, and then there is this one, and then I will continue doing the other 3. I need to do another same one as this one and then 2 more, so I just keep doing those. So the second lot is about to start, and I just realized that these 2 nails that I did wrong before, I can still use them because I still got the same set to do again. So I'm reusing these 2 as they all were, and I just need to paint these one pink, and then I'm gonna do the aura effect nails on these ones. So I have completed this one as well. So I just done the base for this one, and then I have to create another one same as this one. And I think I will stop today. I will just continue this one tomorrow. Whereas the other one, so the same as that pink one, is curing at the moment, and so it's almost done. So I finished that one. So here it is, and this is another one done. So this is how it looks like. So I completed basically 3 sets in 2 hours. That's, I think, pretty good. And I got these 2 left, and I will just continue doing them tomorrow. I usually ask for like 2 weeks in order to fulfill an order. Depends on where I am, how busy I am, and as I was not doing anything at this moment, so I just decided to start doing them. So that's why I got like 3 of them done and then only 1 left, which is pretty good. And that one is the one that requires all these charms and stickers designs on, and also the aura effect. That's why I left it at the end. And then yeah, we will continue tomorrow. So this is currently day 2. I just finished doing 3 of these and only got 2 more left to do, and I just painted 1 base. I still need to paint the other one, and same as, so I got like 2 of these to do, and they're practically same as each other. So I've done almost half of them. I've got only 2 left, and I will see you guys in between. Last 2 sets are ready. So I've done the base. I put the matte top coat because I'm supposed to do an aura effect, and I usually use this makeup palette. This is from Body Care. It was like really cheap. So I'm gonna use this orange shade to create that effect, and then I'm just gonna use the brush, this one. You can see I already have that orange shade on, so I'm just gonna put the brush in here, and then I'm just gonna do the aura effect, and then I will start doing the art itself. This last one is also ready. I finished top coating it and it's ready to be packed. I got like cat eye effect and then some foils and charms. So I'm just gonna pack these, and I got these boxes that I just finished putting my logo on them, and also put the double-sided tape. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna pack all 5 from them. I will see you back. Just completed all the orders, but I finished. I did pack all the kits. So these are like stickers, the nail sticky pads, and then the remover, and then a thank you card. Then I've got these, which include buffer, mini file, then cuticle pusher, and some glue, and obviously my logo, which I hand printed. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pack these orders. So these are the 5 sets that they ordered. So I'm just gonna show you the final look of them one by one. So this is the first one. Then they have another same one. Then the third set is different, is that singular one. So this is the third set. The fourth and the fifth are again the same. It's like a hot pink color and a glitter nail in middle, or ring finger is a glitter nail. And then obviously the last one, which is same as the previous one. So if I show you close up now. So this is what they ordered, 2 of these. They ordered 2 of these, 1 of these. So this one is, I think, £8.99. This one is also £8.99, and then this is £5.99. So in total they paid like £40 for all 5 of them. So this is how they look like, and they're ready to be shipped. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna print the label, put them in the box, and then just ship them, because that's the final thing left for me to do. And also for every order what I do send like a special offer, so kind of something similar to this. And basically with this one you get a special code here, and for every referral that you do, your friends or anyone that use it will get 10% off, and then you will get £1 credit for every friend you refer. So basically if you refer someone, they place an order on my shop, you will get £1 for that, and then obviously you can claim it anytime you want. So you can claim a nail set that has the same value as that one, or you can even ask me to make a new one that price is the same. So this is what everyone also gets. It's like basically a special code for you all. So I think it's a good deal. Last thing left for me to do for today would be just to post it, and I would have to print the label, post it, and then what I'm thinking about is to reorganize my station. So as you saw, I did reorganize my shelf, which means that I put some books that I had here in downstairs. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the box that got emptied, I'm going to put it upstairs, and then I'm going to move some of the little stuff there because it's really disorganized at the moment. And yeah, that is for today's vlog, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys like this behind the scene process about how I make press-ons, how do I ship them, how I do process orders. And if you guys want to place any order, you can buy it from Etsy shop. All the links will be in the description box, so you guys can check them out. And if you come from YouTube, you can use the coupon code YouTube for a 10% off. And yeah, I hope you liked it. I will see you next time. Till then, have a good day. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. So please do subscribe, like if you like this, and I will see you soon. Bye.